Good morning, guys. Today I'm on the way to school to where I'm still in my neighborhood, so that's why I'm vlogging. But today is the Today is the first day of senior year, and I am so excited. So ready to get this year over with. It is 6:42, so I go to school like hella early to get a parking spot, basically. And right now I have a bow in my hair. We dress like kindergartners on the first day of senior year, and I'm gonna go meet with my friends, gonna take pictures, and it's like a tradition, so that's what we do it. Like, it's really like the girls do it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging now. I'm gonna drive to school. Alright, so my sister's telling me about her day. It's currently like 2:30-ish now. I just got home. School gets out at 2:44, so it takes almost an hour to get out of the parking lot, so oh, I took my hair down because I just wasn't, it was aggravating me. There was? Yeah, Chloe was telling me about her first day freshman year. Chloe, how was your day?
It was actually not that. It was just so confusing. And lunch was so chaotic. Oh my god. There's so many people. And it's so hard to find your friends.
Yeah, okay, so I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I can't flip the camera since I'm filming on my phone, so here's how it's going. Polo, and then I have the polo tucked into the skirt. I have some Nike socks and my Nike 97s. This is the first day fit. We just like kindergartners. I think I explained that a little bit in the beginning on the way to school, but I was kind of frantic because I was, you know, kind of late and there was buku traffic. I live super close to school. Like, there's no reason for me to have to take 35 plus minutes to get home. To get there. I'm so ready for senior year. Let's get it. Class of 2020. Yeah, now we're gonna go to school supply shopping, I guess. So I'll vlog some of that like I did last year. That's about it. School supply shopping is going okay. Yeah, they don't have shit at Walmart. Walmart is not as packed as it normally is.
Because of recent events.
God, America is just so safe. Back to school vlog is all over the place because I forgot to also vlog at school. So that's fun. Yeah. Right now we're in the dog food aisle getting food for Cooper. There's a worker right there, so that was really awkward. Things we got going on so far, some pins. We'll do a haul or whatever in this video. So yeah, that's about what's going on. So my hair in this next little section of the video, which is the haul part, I don't know why it looks like that, why I didn't realize that it looked nasty, so just ignore that. We'll get right into the back to school haul. Yeah. Oh, I look so pale. Alright, so I switched to my camera so I can show you guys what I got, because I didn't want to vlog everything on my phone. From Wally World, this isn't even for school, but I got some Crest 3D whitening strips. They're just a classic white dental whitening kit. They're just the strips. There's 20 of them. I got some highlighters. They're out of the package already because it came in like a pack with like, you know, two of each color, and so me and my sister just split it. I got some Papermate lead pencils, like the infamous ones that everyone like loves, that are so nice, whatever, and that people steal and never give back whenever they borrow them. Next, I got these black Papermate pencils. They're just ballpoint, and I really like how these write. They're really like smooth. And I decided to get 3 folders. All my teachers were really chill about like organizing, so everything I kind of just bought, like I winged it basically. So I got 3 folders. Of course, one in yellow because duh. I love these folders, the 5-star ones that have like a pocket in it and like have a little, I just like them. They're just nice. And then I got one in this nice teal color, so basically my 2 favorite colors, duh. And I got this green one because it was fun. It has like a clear folder in the front. And then I got a 1 subject college ruled notebook. It's yellow. And then I got this 1-inch binder from 5-star. A lot of the folders are like textured or whatever, like had this pattern on it, or this, I don't know what you would call it, but I wasn't a big fan of it, so I only got it in the binder because I just wanted a binder, and it comes with like a little divider folder in it already. I just wanted like a new one because I reuse a lot of my supplies. Actually, I reuse pencils, I reuse folders, especially I reuse dividers. Like I just pulled out a bunch of dividers I used last year because like you don't need new ones. Their other ones are just as fine. They're just a little bit dirty. That's all I got from Wally World. Of course, my sister got her own stuff, but she doesn't care to show you guys, I guess. And then we also went to the dollar store, so I got these 3 little organizers, and then we got some soap for our bathrooms. Exciting, right? So I got some Fresh Breeze soap, and she got some Himalayan salt. I got these organizers from like my desk. Yeah, that's about all I got. I wish I vlogged more at school. I will vlog more tomorrow. We did start on a Thursday, so we only have 2 days in our first week of school, and then we have the weekend. I was gonna vlog me getting ready, and then I completely forgot because I had to get up and do my hair and look like a kindergartner. Yeah, that's about it.
I mean, name a quadrant, north, south, east, or west that we're not in.
Hi, hello, I'm not naked. This is a sports bra. But yeah, it is again after school. We just finished our first week, kind of. It was only 2 days, so not really a week, but you know, our first week of school. You guys just saw that clip I got in my world history class, which is the last class. It was just my teacher talking. We already started notes in that class, so yeah. Ooh, I know what I'm eating. I'm gonna eat some chips. So that's all that's really happening. Nothing too exciting. We'll vlog next week, and I'll put it in this video, and you know, like, so this video is still obviously gonna continue. It's just like, I guess my first, I don't know, I'll just call it a back to school vlog or something. Or maybe I'll clickbait and call it the first day of school, even though it doesn't include just footage from the first day. Obviously my fridge is open. I'm sure you guys heard it, but I just wanted to clarify that. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to update and say that I, again, did not really get any school footage because I'm a piece of shit and I forget to vlog. But there's so many classes that I could vlog in, and I just forget. So I will do it next week.
$20 for laptop and chair through all school days.
Right now, I'm in the elevator in the freshman academy, and I'm doing the office worker stuff. Just to drop off a bunch of stuff for a hi vlog. We're in environmental science right now, and Katie's playing Hummingbird on her graphic calculator. I was supposed to vlog at lunch, and I forgot. So yeah, look, there's Park. Park's deaf. Oh my God, Park.
The first time you open
Mario doesn't work there.
you're set up.
But we're about to go to. There's too many games. Our teacher's back there. I don't want him to in the vlog. Alright, so a whole week has went by. My first full week of high school was not that bad. Obviously did not vlog that much because again I forgot. And then I remembered in 6th hour today of Friday when I was sitting with my friend Katie. So yeah, we were in AP Environmental Science in that last clip. I don't know, I don't want to drag this out any longer than I need to. I can always do like separate school vlogs and stuff like that for special occasions. Maybe I'll vlog a football game, stuff like that. I'm like the designated video editor for this year basically, and so I'm editing all of the like hype videos, like football videos, all that fun stuff, so I'm excited for that. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram. My Instagram handle and Twitter handle are the same, and that's about it. Bye.